Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. Hello, everyone. Yes, I know it's not Wednesday again. My videos are going to be hit or miss this month. I hope more hit than miss, but you never know because May is my busiest time of the year. So wish me luck, and please excuse my fallen 80s hair and makeup. It was 80s day at my kids' Commonwealth School today, and I like to play it up, and we had a great time. Ruby and I won a prize. Anyway, in this video, you'll see everything I ate in the last 7 days to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. You can get some great ideas for some meals you can try for your own keto weight loss program. But remember that I am currently eating maintenance macros of about 1,800 to 2,300 calories per day while I try to maintain my weight through this busy season. If you're looking for videos on how to lose weight on keto, I definitely have some of those, and you check out this playlist here. Now let's get to the food. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of What to Eat Wednesday. It is almost noon and I am about to break my fast. This is a typical first meal of the day for me, and I am having 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 5 pepperonis fried in a pan, 150 grams of 0% phage, F-A-G-E or Fage, Greek yogurt sweetened with tangerine Mio, a water enhancer, orange tangerine. This is one of my favorite flavors. And a cup of Creole brew sweetened with stevia and half and half. This is Creole brew. It is ground cocoa beans. It is not like coffee. It does not have caffeine, but it's a nice warm drink. It tastes kind of like a watered down hot chocolate. I buy it on Amazon or on creolebrew.com. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, I am on the go today. So I am having my second meal in the car. I am having a Wendy's Caesar side salad, a pack of salted peanuts, a Quest bar, and a keto cake from ketocakesutah.com. And they do not ship as of now. They're still working on it. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having steak and cabbage for dinner. This is an 8-ounce top round steak with 100 grams of cabbage and a tablespoon of butter, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right everyone, it's Thursday. It is just after noon and I am breaking my fast, and this is what I'm having today: 150 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, 2 farm fresh fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 4 pepperonis fried in a pan, 30 grams of center cut bacon, and a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half and half. That is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, I didn't get a chance to eat my second meal, so I'm having a big taco salad for dinner. 4 ounces of ground beef, 90-10, 1 package of Quest protein chips, 2 cups of lettuce, 2 tablespoons of green onion, 4 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 60 grams of tomato, and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, and 1 keto cake. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Friday morning and it is about, I'm not sure, I think it's noon, and I'm about to have my first meal of the day, and I'm having the same thing as I've had pretty much all week. So 150 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 4 pepperonis, 2 fried eggs, and 30 grams of center cut bacon. I'll also be making a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half, and that will be my first meal of the day. All right everyone, it's Friday afternoon, and I was going to make a salad, but we just found out that our kitty was hit by a car and died, and I just don't feel like doing anything that involves preparation, and this is all of the prepared things I have. So I'm just having a bunch of stuff that I probably... Well, anyway, this is what I'm having. 1 sweet cream primal thin bar, 1 Quest protein cookie, 1 keto cupcake, and 1 cheese. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Friday night and I am having a treat. I am having a 10-ounce ribeye steak and about a half a cup of lettuce with 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right everyone, it's Saturday, it's 11 a.m. I'm getting ready to head out to the amusement park, and so I am having my first meal of the day: 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese with 4 pepperonis, 36 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, and 150 grams of 2% Fage Greek yogurt with lemonade, meal, water enhancer. Also a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, here I am at the amusement park, and this is going to be my second meal of the day. I have just 2 ounces of cheddar and 8 pepperonis rolled up, a Quest protein cookie, and a protein bar. It's the chocolate brownie Julian Bakery Paleo Thin Protein Bar. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Saturday night and I am having a skillet pizza for dinner. It is just 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese with 10 pepperonis and a tablespoon of arouse marinara and a cup of, well, it's about a cup and a half of salad with 40 grams of radishes and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. Guess I'm not saying anything in this video. I'm gonna have some Easter treats, guys, because I'm starving to death and I can't stand to wait till dinner. So here's my Easter food. This is roast beef and xanthan gum gravy, cauliflower mac and cheese, sugar-free Jello cottage cheese salad, and Greek salad with ranch dressing. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone. It's Monday morning and it's noon and I am breaking my fast. I have a grundle of bacon today because I had a bunch I needed to eat because my package was getting on the older side and I got a new package. So I'm having 60 grams of center cut bacon, 1 fried egg, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 5 pepperonis, and a Julian Paleo Thin Protein bar. People have been wondering how I like these chocolate ones. They are not as awesome as the sweet cream. They taste kind of like a Tootsie Roll, only not chocolatey enough, but they are the consistency of a Tootsie Roll. So if you were wondering, I'm probably not going to buy them again. They're more money than the sweet cream. I think I'm just going to stick to those. All right, everyone, it's 4 o'clock and I am having my second meal of the day. So I have, of course, day after Easter egg salad, two boiled eggs, and then an ounce of mozzarella cheese and some lettuce, and a keto cake, Bavarian cream from ketochasesutah.com, and some peanuts. Hello everyone, it's Monday night and I am having an Italian favorite that I love. I'm having a cup of spaghetti squash with a half a cup of rouse marinara, and I have 5 ounces of chicken and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon, it's 1 o'clock p.m. and I am breaking my fast with 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 5 pepperonis, 2 fried eggs, 150 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla meal, water enhancer, and a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon and it's 4 o'clock and I'm at the dance studio. This is going to be my second meal of the day. A Primal Thin protein bar, 2 cheese sticks, package of Munchies peanuts, and a keto cake from ketochasesutah.com, and that's going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night. I am having kind of like a play on French dip. So I have 4 ounces of top round steak, 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese kind of made into little rolls, and some homemade au jus made with a little bit of xanthan gum, and so it's like a thin gravy with bouillon, and 150 grams of lettuce and 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it, everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you'll join us on Facebook for more information on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've lost 198 pounds on keto so far, and I intend to continue my journey as soon as my busy season is over. Also, in the About section below, you'll find a link to my Teespring store for awesome merchandise and my Patreon account so that you can get extra videos like recipes and Tammy's Tidbit videos 24 hours before everyone else here on YouTube as a thank you for your donation. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.